The war in Ukraine has shown several new and innovative combat tactics. Ukraine has been employing several kinds of asymmetric war strategies to resist much larger Russian forces. This has worked really well, especially in the naval domain, and inflicted several losses on the Russian Navy. For example, the destruction of the Russian landing ship Saratov in the port of occupied Berdyansk was carried out using MANPADs and Tochka-Us that were not designed for naval combat. New reports indicate that Ukrainian asymmetric warfare is inflicting more damage on Russia's fleet than previously known. According to the Wall Street Journal, the Security Service of Ukraine (SBU) successfully targeted and hit at least 4 Russian ships near the Crimean Peninsula using underwater mines deployed by Sea Baby drones. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how the mine-laying Sea Baby drone is wrecking Russian warships. Let's get started. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. Sea Baby is a Ukrainian multi-purpose unmanned surface vehicle (USV) that's able to carry an explosive payload for use in kamikaze attacks or equipped with other loadouts for more specialized use like deploying mines. Security Service of Ukraine, or SBU, Brigadier General Lukashevich Ivan Volodymyrovich proposed the idea of the agency operating unmanned attack boats, and early USV models were designed in 2022 in collaboration with specialists from the Ukrainian Navy and assorted private companies. Later, the SBU decided to develop drones independently, culminating in the Sea Baby design for operational use by the SBU, while what eventually became the Magura V5 was operated by the Main Directorate of Intelligence, or GUR. There is limited information regarding the technical specifications of the craft. It's thought to have a length of 5.5 meters, gross weight of about 1,000 kilograms or 2,200 pounds, and payload capacity of 200 kilograms or 440 pounds. The craft has a maximum speed of 78 kilometers per hour or 48 miles per hour and is thought to have a range of about 1,000 kilometers or 621 miles. It's equipped with 3 sensors for HD video streams with night vision and has 256-bit encryption for its communication channel. As per reports, in addition to these, the drone is equipped with an autopilot system, redundant communication modules, and a combat unit, an autonomous control station, a transportation and storage subsystem, and a data center. The cost of production is thought to be about $273,000. The Wall Street Journal states that after the initial use of sea drones by Ukraine, the Russians built larger barriers at the entrance to the port of Sevastopol, making drone strikes almost impossible. The journalist noted that the team of the head of the SBU, Masil Valyuk, then came up with an alternative, laying sea mines. This operation utilized bottom mines made of plastic, each weighing about 180 kilograms or 400 pounds. These mines are difficult to detect as they sink into the silt in shallow waters. Malyuk's specialized team spent 6 weeks tracking naval ship and civilian traffic routes before deploying Sea Baby drones to plant 2 mines. On September 14th, the Samum missile corvette struck one of the mines, which caused a hole in its stern. The vessel remains under repair and dry dock. The publication noted that in the following weeks, Sea Baby drones covered more than 4,800 kilometers or about 2,880 miles, and laid about 15 additional mines. During one mission, detected by 3 Raptor-class patrol boats, the drone opened fire with a grenade launcher, hitting an enemy vessel, according to SBU Brigadier General Ivan Lukashevich, known by the call sign Hunter. In this context, viewers may note that Seababy C drones were recently equipped with the Grad Multiple Rocket Launcher (MRL) system. On October 11th, the large patrol boat Pavel Dershevin hit a mine while entering Sevastopol Bay for maintenance. On October 13th, the boat was redirected to another port for repairs, but encountered another mine while leaving Sevastopol Bay. Journalists reported that a large tugboat sent to assist also struck a mine and had to be towed back to port. The Wall Street Journal noted that a few days later, an explosion damaged the modern minesweeper Vladimir Kozitsky, one of only 2 in Russian service. So, Seababy's operation has already damaged or sunk 4 ships of the Russian Federation. The results are amazing if we take into consideration the overall situation. This operation marked the world's first successful example of remote mining, according to journalists. Brigadier General Ivan Lukashevich, the mastermind behind Ukraine's fleet of naval drones, told the Wall Street Journal that Ukraine's sea drones are being marshaled into squads that can replicate the abilities of a single warship. He said the squads, each with about 10 to 20 drones, will work in concert to combine multiple separate functions. Lukashevich told the outlet, "We do have a fleet, but it's divided into smaller elements." Lukashevich, who was appointed to lead a special unit for Ukraine's security service, said that previously naval drones were used primarily for surveillance or logistics. This conflict has turned into a war of attrition, and this is where Seababy operations are crucial. Ukraine will not only need to steadily degrade Russian military capabilities, but also inflict economic stress. If Ukraine is able to disrupt navigation in the Sea of Azov, it will effectively lock down the Don River shipping system. This is a major channel for Russian raw resource exports. Before the war, nearly 50% of all Russian grain was transported via the Don. The majority of the remaining grain exports passed through Novorossiysk, which is already blocked. It'll be interesting to see how Ukraine plans and executes further attacks now, since Russian military leadership will surely try to guard against this kind of attack.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.